Hey guys, what's up? Looks like we got ourselves Blizzard 2, or so it says, according to IGN. Blizzard co-founder opens new game company, Dreamhaven, developing two games, with two studios, Secret Door and Moonshot. The Blizzard co-founder being Mike Morhaime, which left Blizzard in 2018, I believe. I'm not too sure. Anyways, it says here one of the studios is led by Jason Chase, Blizzard executive producer who worked on Hearthstone, okay, and lead producer on StarCraft 2. All right. He's joined by Dustin Browder, game director on StarCraft 2, nice, Heroes of the Storm, and Command and Conquer, impressive, and Ben Thompson, creative director on Hearthstone. Okay. Secret Door studio head is Chris Sigathy, executive producer on Hearthstone. Oh my god. StarCraft 2, that's good. Heroes of the Storm, that's bad. Elite producer on the original Warcraft 3, that's good. He's joined by Eric Dodds, first game director on Hearthstone. And Alan Dabiri, game director on Heroes of the Storm. And a team of other veteran developers. Okay, cool. So what does it mean? Um, we're gonna get the next Warcraft 4, StarCraft 3, these amazing, huge games they're gonna like mark us for the rest of our lives? I doubt it. All right. I'm looking at the people who work for these studios. It's some good, it's some bad. People work on Hearthstone. If you play Hearthstone, you know it's a money sink. You wanna play the game, you wanna stay competitive, you gotta pay money. Otherwise, you're not going anywhere. It's made that way so you spend your money on the game. Heroes of the Storm, that was a failure. I mean, it was supposed to be like the next big thing in the esports, and after what, like a year or something, they completely abandoned it. I played the game for a week or two. I got super bored super fast. Same for Hearthstone. You play a couple of games, you can't take it anymore. It's boring as hell. Amazing presentation for both games. It feels fun, it feels good for about 15 minutes. Then it's boring. It's very shallow. They're shallow games. That's my whole problem with Blizzard, the new Blizzard, the new Activision basically. The games are very shallow. Okay, they don't have the same impact like the old games did back in the day. Um, as for Mike himself, he opens up these studios, he hires these people. Maybe it's gonna work out. Maybe gonna make something great. Again, I'm not so sure. Yes, they have people who worked on StarCraft 2. That's good. Command and Conquer, that's impressive. And Warcraft 3, that's very good also. But everybody else, Hearthstone, I'm already seeing the dollar signs, monetization all the way. Um, Heroes of the Storm, game for kids basically. Like that's all you're getting. A very generic, inoffensive, by the book, colorful. You know, you don't want to take too many risks. Just make sure it appeals to everybody. That's all you're getting. Not nothing crazy, okay? Nothing um, defining. Nothing uh, setting up a new level of gaming or something. Forget about that. This also, I hope this doesn't turn out like the other guy who left Blizzard, David Brevik, who was the director for Diablo 1 and 2. Again, huge name. Diablo 1 and 2, oh my god, it's like the best game ever for some people, you know, it's like so crazy. People are still playing in this day, right? 20 years after or some shit. But what did David do after he left Blizzard? He made Hellgate London, which didn't go anywhere. Then he made Marvel Heroes that got canceled after like 2 years. And I'm not sure what he's working on right now. Is he working on the new Torchlight? I'm not sure. But even there, is that it? I mean, once you leave Blizzard, is that the best you can do? You know, like in Star Wars, you're supposed to be the chosen one, but it turns out you didn't do jack shit. Matter of speaking, of course, he made games. Um, I'm not sure if it'll be the same for these guys. I mean, you leave Blizzard as bad as Blizzard has become. You open up some small studio, you make some small games, and I'm not expecting too much, unfortunately. I wish this was the savior of like the Blizzard soul, but I don't know. I hope I'm wrong. I really hope I'm wrong. I really hope they like prove me wrong and they come up with these amazing, deep games that they're gonna mark gaming history like the old Blizzard games did. But I don't know. I'm not feeling it. Anyways, let's hope I'm wrong. Prove me wrong, Mike. Prove me wrong. Peace.